Welcome back to the homestead, my dear friends. It is almost spring, which means a change of season and a change in our wardrobe. Today, I am pulling out some of my favorite spring wardrobe and building my spring capsule. And just to let you know, almost everything you see here, other than just a few pieces, was completely thrifted from places like Goodwill, local thrift shops, garage sales, and even online at places called Depop or Poshmark. There's so much thrifting, so many things that you can put together, and I thought I would take you along with me and I'll show you how I put my spring capsule together. As most things, I thrift most of my wardrobe all through the seasons, and I thought it would be nice to share some of the basic principles that I like to follow that might help you do the same if you're in a season of life where you're enjoying thrifting as much as I do. I thrift most everything, one, because it's budget friendly, and two, is my style, as many of us, is evolving. I'm learning what I love, what fits my body the best, what I need, and things like that. And when I'm able to thrift them at a much lower cost, it keeps these items from ending up in a landfill, but also keeps my pocketbook a little bit more happy. Some of the basic principles I follow when I am building my wardrobe capsule for each season is I start with a color palette that I'm drawn to, as well as basics. So what I mean by this is most of my wardrobe, other than a few different items, can cross each other. They complement each other. I can take a sweater from one outfit and pair it with the jeans from another outfit. I can swap out a basic tee and add a tank. I can take that cardigan that I love and pair it with a dress. So everything kind of complements one another. Therefore, I don't have to invest in a ton of items for my wardrobe, but I can get several different outfit options by crossing over different items for different outfits. Let's talk a little bit about basics. This could mean different things to different people depending on your own style. For me, it means good staple pieces that I can use throughout the season and even multiple seasons. For instance, a lot of these jean jackets will go for spring, the end of summer, fall, and a cool day in winter. Some of these t-shirts get layered under sweaters and things like that, so I carry these items season through season. Though there are some pieces that I only wear seasonal, I like to have a good amount of basics that can get me through multiple seasons. For me, this looks like a good pair of jeans. Lots of cardigans, button-up denim is some of my favorite classic pieces that don't seem to go out of style. This also means long sleeve tees in the winter, short sleeve tees and tanks in the spring and summer, things like that. I also love linen pants, and I'm never gonna stray away from a good set of yoga or leggings because they're so comfy. And with that said, the cozier, the better. Most of the color palettes go from season to season as well. I bring some of those lighter blues and greens and yellows out in the spring and summer and lean more into the browns, terracotta, grays, darker blues. and rust into the fall and winter. And what I love about having a color palette that I'm drawn to, where we have some of the darker pieces in the cozier, colder months, and some of the lighter, airier colors in the warmer months, is when we're in a change of season like we are right now, where we have some cool, chilly days and some days in the beautiful 60s. These can go well hand in hand and can make new outfits that you typically wouldn't wear during the full season. As you know from a lot of my thrifting videos, I shop at our local share shop where clothing is only 25 cents a piece. I also shop at Goodwill and garage sales, but I've also been really loving a website called Depop. Now, this is new to me, but this is a lot like Poshmark, where you can upload your clothing and sell it to others, and I have been finding some amazing pieces. All of the dresses in this video, as well as these two cardigans, both came from Depop. While you do have to pay shipping, which kinda is a bummer, but you can find very specific pieces and also very expensive pieces for a big discount. I'm absolutely loving it. I'll link it below if you'd like to take a look too. But my best piece of advice that I can give to you if you are building a new wardrobe, building a seasonal wardrobe, or if you're developing a new style, is go to Pinterest and search different outfits and start a Pinterest board. When you head over to your favorite thrift store, or you jump on to Depop or Poshmark or ThredUp, you'll have ideas of different pieces that you can be looking for. This beautiful blue button-up is very wrinkly, but this is one of the pieces that I had been searching for, very similar for an item that was on my Pinterest board, and I'm able to put it together with several different outfits that I'm super excited about this year. And my final piece of advice for you is dress for yourself. Experiment, research, find your style, try things, find what makes you feel beautiful, the colors that you're drawn to. We're all different shapes and sizes. I'm drawn to cozy dresses, but for a long time I would never wear a dress because I thought I looked stupid in them. I found out that one of the favorite things I have in my closet are my dresses. Experiment and try to find something you love that makes you feel like you. Don't worry about trends or what people say is going to be in or out. Don't worry about any of it. Trends fade, seasons shift. Dress for yourself and enjoy it. We all are drawn to different things, and that is okay. I hope you had a wonderful time visiting our homestead this week. If you love these type of videos where we share our lifestyle out here in the country, where we thrift, we homestead, we garden, we bake, we can, feel free to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them below. With love from the homestead, Amanda.